Hey guys, it's day 6. Welcome back. Welcome back. This morning I'm making a simple breakfast using eggs and tortillas. So I took out the ham yesterday that I had in the freezer, and I'm going to cut some of that up and I'm going to add it to my omelet this morning. So I'm going to start off with the eggs. So 2 eggs. Gonna make it scrambled, or should I make it an omelet? I think an omelet. Yeah, Jay likes omelets.
Jay likes his omelets.
Did I see a piece of egg? Oh, I don't like crunchies in my egg. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water. And I'm gonna add some of that ham. So I'm in my cutting board. So this was a nice spiral ham, or 2P ham. A smoked applewood spiral ham that we had. I had so much left that I just froze a bunch of it. Nom, nom, nom. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just going to make some of that. There we go. I cut it up. Small pieces. There we go. Add that to the omelet. Okay, so I'm not going to cut up some onions because, well, I've been smelling onions since that soup, and I don't want onions today. So salt and pepper. And a little bit of chives. You hear a little weird noise in the background. That's my kettle. I'm boiling water because I'm going to be making Jay a tea. So we're going to have this antioxidant tea as well. It's an apple cinnamon and turmeric with vitamin C tea. It's dated 2022, December 2022. So yeah, it's best before. It's still good. It's just, we have a couple left in there, so we're just going to use that up. I forgot to check out my teas, and do you want some tea this morning? I'm a busy girl this morning. So I got the butter for the omelet melting there, and I have the tea kettle going, and I've got this back element over here going too. Well, we're going to have it going, because I'm going to take these tortilla shells, and I'm going to warm them up. Okay, so this is going to be nice and easy for the omelet. Everybody knows how to make an omelet. Just dunk that in there. Spread out that goodness. Jay, do you know where the lid is, hon?
Yeah, right there.
Found it. All right. I'm going to simply spray it with some olive oil. And then I'm just going to put my tortilla shells. I have 2 left, which is perfect. Perfect. I was planning on making pieces with it, but I'm like, nah. I'm just going to put it on there once that warms up a little bit. It smells fine. It's frozen. Just put that on there. Let that warm up a little bit. Look at the bubbliness. So I'm just going to add my cheese on there. Ooh, the kettle's going to sing. Oh, no. No, no, no. No, La, 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 la. It's ready. I have nowhere to put you. Ah, everything's ready at the same time. What do I do? What do I do? Okay, so everything's ready at the same time, so I'm just going to flip this. There we go. This I'll put over here. Then I'll keep putting the cheese on this guy. Good enough. And I'm going to put the lid back on. Just for a minute. Turn it off. Just until this is ready. Oh my god! Oh my god! Everything's all flipping and everything is ready. Okay, that's ready. Ha ha ha! I need one of these. Okay. A little bit of oil. There we go. Let's get that tea ready. Let that sit for a bit, because everything else is going to be ready in about a minute. There we go. All right, so that's done. Let's put some of that omelet on that tortilla. So I'm going to cut it in half. Just like that. Jay, do you want anything on your omelet on your tortilla? Jay wants ketchup on his. So Jay wants ketchup. And I just want butter. Salt and butter. So there we go. There's one tortilla. Egg and ham tortilla shell. And mine. I just want some butter. Where's my butter? So butter it is. A little bit of salt on my egg. There we go. Good enough. And that's my breakfast for day 6. Ham and egg tortilla and apple cinnamon tea with turmeric. Ta-da! Yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. So delicious. See? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Just dripping butter. Chin dripper. Yum, 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 yum. Well, now it's time for lunch. I am going to be making something that I kind of concocted overnight. So last night what I did is I took 2 slices of bread and I cut them in cubes and put them in a paper bag overnight so they're a little bit drier. They're not as soft. I also have leftover ground beef from, well actually this is the ground beef, the 1 cup that I had left over from the other day. And I have the leftovers from this morning. That's going to be for tonight. So after today, there will not be any more ground beef. I am going to be using an onion, an egg. So an egg, after today, we will have 4 left. 4 eggs left. And we will have 1 onion left. So let's do this. I'm going to show you what I'm doing, what I'm concocting as I go, because this is just something that's brewing in my mind here. Now I got the oven preheating at 350 because I was thinking about putting these in the muffin tin. I think it should be making about 4 of them, so I buttered up the muffin tin, and we'll be putting this together today for lunch. Don't need much because it's only me and Jay. And Jay right now is at his friend's house, so he won't be home till later on tonight. So I'm going to save him too for later tonight when he gets home. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of this chicken poultry rub, just a little bit. There we go. Let's add a little bit of basil. Let's add some oregano. And let's add a little bit of garlic powder. Mix that all up. So I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit, a couple squirts, and then mix it all up. Okay. Now I'm going to add the onions. Mix it all up. Then we're going to add the ground beef. We'll add a hint of Worcestershire, or as Jay says, watch your, I can't say what he says. Wash your sister or something. Worcestershire. And mix that all up. Get all the spices incorporated. There we go. And of course, the egg. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm doing. It's just something I'm concocting, so will it work out? I don't know. I don't know. I don't care. It's gonna be yummy. I know it's gonna be. You know what? It may sound strange, but I'm gonna add a little bit of ketchup. Make it like a burger. A little bit of ketchup. And just for the kicks of it, we still have some sour cream. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of sour cream. Don't ask. I don't know. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put all the sour cream in there. Just to get rid of it. So it's about a tablespoon and 1 teaspoon, I'd say. So we used up all the sour cream, so there's no more sour cream. So I'm thinking by tomorrow, I'm still going to have a lot of food left over. Like, look at this. I still have some a little bit in the fridge, and I still have a little bit in the freezer, like some cabbage and some fruits. And so I might just extend my products for next week and maybe pick up like a small grocery haul of fresh fruits and vegetables to go with this, and maybe extend it for a little bit longer. So I'm just going to crush it down a little bit. Here, like that. Okay, so let's put that in the muffin tins. So as you can see, I buttered it up. Butter it up. Butter it up. I'm just going to put that in there. Hey, if we could stretch it and make it taste different, why not, right? Will they turn out? Maybe. Actually, I think I'll have more than 4. Oh, yeah, baby. We got more than 4 today. Yeah, baby. So I'm going to butter that up. So instead of getting my fingers dirty, I put a little butter on the napkin. And I just make sure you get the bottom, especially. Just coat it. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be great. I'm going to push it down a little bit. I think the egg is going to make it stick together, which is good. I should put some cheese on that. So I'm going to put some cheese on top. Okay, so that's ready. I think I'll call these my hamburger cups. And I'm going to put them in the oven for 15 minutes at 350. So no sriracha today. No hot sauce. If you've seen the video from yesterday from day 5, you know exactly why. If you didn't, go check out that video. Something funny happened yesterday, but it made my sauce extremely spicy. So I'm not going to make it with sriracha today. I'm just going to drink it as is in a mug. Nice and easy. Nice and frugal. And actually, this is a really tasty soup. Well, it was tasty before the incident. Remember, guys, go watch day 5 if you didn't see it. You know, for a person that didn't want onions this morning, I'm eating lots of onions this afternoon. So there's onions in the soup, onions in the lunch. I'm going to smell like onions for next week. So those hamburger muffin cups that I just made, I tried to take them out of the pan, out of the muffin tin, and some of them were coming apart. So I put it in for another 5 minutes on broil, just because I want it to be a little bit more cooked. You know what I mean? Like I just want it to shape a little bit better. So let's give it another 5 minutes on broil. Well, this soup is a lot better today than it was yesterday. Doesn't burn my lips. It's got really good flavor. It was good yesterday before the sriracha decided to do what it had to do. But, yeah, a lot better. Good flavor. Kind of tastes like the broth from a wonton soup. I don't know. That's what it tastes like to me. All it's missing is wonton. Maybe one day I'll make some wonton soup. Lunchtime! Lunch is ready, guys. So this is what we're having. We're having leftovers from yesterday, from the soup that I made with the spaghetti noodles. Except I didn't put spaghetti noodles in it this time, and there's no sriracha. I have the hamburger muffin cups. And I have some for Jay for later on tonight. So he will eat that when he gets home. So I'm having lunch all by myself today. So I'm going to try it 2 different ways. I'm going to try it with some Dijon mustard. Now this is a seeded Dijon mustard, so there's seeds in it. Oh, I love that Dijon mustard. Now I'm going to add some ketchup to that. Okay, let's add some ketchup. Put that all in there nice. And I'm going to add this one right here with some buffalo sauce. Frank's Hot Buffalo Sauce. And the other one's just going to be plain Jane, so I can taste the flavors that I put in there. So we're going to try the plain one first so I don't mess up my taste buds with other flavors. See how it tastes like. What it tastes like. Here's my muffin cup. Tastes like a hamburger. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that's good. So I'll put that down. And now the one with the ketchup and mustard. Dijon mustard. Mmm. Oh. I had a craving for hamburgers. This is perfect. This is perfect. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's good. I'm going to taste some of that. Well, I already had a taste of it. But I'm going to have some more of it. Actually, I'm just going to drink it like this. Mm. The soup. Mm. Delicious. And now for the buffalo sauce. Frank's hot sauce. Spread it all out. There. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Mmm. Out of the three, if you want the ultimate hamburger flavor, like eating a hamburger, it's the one with the Dijon mustard and ketchup. I find it tastes most like hamburger. Mmm. Mmm. Mm, mm, mm. So that's lunch on day 6, guys. I didn't know what I was making. Came up with it, and it worked out great. Nothing like trying. So this is going to be an easy lunch. Very easy. I have leftover spaghetti. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make Jay's lunch now because he's going out to his friends early this morning. And they're doing their gaming thing. So after that, he's going to go to work. So he won't be here today. So this will be his work lunch. He'll be having probably lunch outside the home. So I won't have to worry about doing that. Okay, so this is going to be supper. Sorry, this is going to be his supper. So I'm going to take some of those tomatoes that I had from the can from the other day. I have a couple. I'll put 2 tomatoes. And I'll add some of that sauce on top. Nice and simple. There we go. You can mix it up. Or I can mix it up, I guess. I'm going to add some spices to make it tastier. So I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese. Lots of Parmesan cheese. Some sea salt. Some black pepper. A little bit of paprika. And a little bit of onion powder. Just going to add a little bit more sauce to that. A little bit more of that tomato juice. Some of that ground beef that I had made the other day. Since he won't be here, he might as well have it for his spaghetti. So I'll have half. He'll have half. Because I'll have the same thing tonight, but I don't want the sauce on mine. I'll have just the rest of this ground beef and butter and garlic. That will be mine. Well, you know what? I'm going to add more juice to that. I'm going to keep a little bit of juice in there because there's still lots of tomatoes. I'll just put one more tomato in there for him. There we go. A little bit more Parmesan cheese. Just going to cut that off from the garlic baguette. And that's dinner for tonight. My man's work dinner or work lunch. So spaghetti with tomatoes and fresh tomato juice or fresh canned tomato juice with ground beef, herbs, parmesan, and garlic bread. So for dessert, he's going to have a blueberry yogurt cup, and that will be his meal for tonight. I, on the other hand, will have the same pasta, except I will not have the tomatoes and I will not have the tomato juice. I will have the ground beef mixed in with melted cheese, butter, and some garlic. I'm also going to have a side of garlic bread. And that will be my meal tonight. Day 6 is done. That was an easy day. I got my meals done early today. And like I said, my spaghetti tonight is just going to be just warm up the spaghetti, add a little bit of butter and a little bit of garlic, and there we go. That's my meal. So I won't be showing that because it's pretty basic. But I have my day done today. So day 6 is done. Tomorrow is day 7. It's the last day of this pantry, freezer, fridge, clean out meal week. So I'm going to show you what I have left tomorrow. And tomorrow is also my grocery day. I usually go on Saturdays. So what I'm going to do is tomorrow I'm going to take a little bit of money. I'm going to pick up some fresh fruit and vegetables. And we're going to add it to the food that we have left. So we have a little bit of food in the fridge, a little bit of food in the freezer, a little bit of food from the cupboards and pantries still left on my counter. So, yeah, we're going to do that tomorrow. Tomorrow is day 7. 3 more meals on a budget with what I got. So stay tuned tomorrow. Come back again. I can't wait to see you. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and be sure to leave a comment below. Bye for now.